Hello, and welcome to today's 2-minute book review. Today, I want to share with you our thoughts on a book that has helped us improve our communication skills. How to Talk to Anyone by Leil Lowndes. First of all, let me just say that this book is packed with practical, actionable advice on how to improve your communication skills. Lowndes provides a wide range of tips and tricks that can help you feel more confident and capable when interacting with others. One of the key ideas in the book is the importance of body language. Lowndes emphasizes the role that nonverbal communication plays in our interactions with others and provides tips on how to use body language to your advantage. Another great takeaway from the book is the importance of building rapport with others. Lowndes discusses the various ways in which we can build rapport with others, including how to use small talk and how to show genuine interest in others. Overall, we think How to Talk to Anyone is a fantastic resource for anyone looking to improve their communication skills. Whether you're looking to make small talk at a party or give a presentation at work, this book has something to offer. If it helps, in the video description you'll find our favorite quotes, additional key concepts, and pros and cons to consider before picking up How to Talk to Anyone. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to get notified of our next 2-minute book review. If you've read How to Talk to Anyone, we'd love to hear your thoughts on it in the comments below. Until next time, enjoy learning something new and have a fantastic day.